everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. I got my Beautylish Lucky Bag here and it came earlier than what I thought it would take because I got the email, the tracking email, and it said it was going to be here Thursday through Monday of next week. I'm filming this on a Tuesday morning and I got it late Monday night, last night. I wanted to open it last night, but I wasn't looking too good and the lighting was bad, so hopefully I clean up nice and the lighting is a lot better than it was last night. And I want to say welcome for those of you who are new to my channel. If you're here to see what's in my lucky bag, I'll put a timestamp here so you can skip right through it. But I hope you stick around and hit that subscribe button. And for my regular viewers, thank you for watching this video. I was not planning on getting this lucky bag, and if you saw my last video, my life update, you would know the reason why. I was in the hospital with my husband who was sick with COVID, and I didn't care about makeup, I didn't care about skincare, I was just focusing on my husband. This comes out on the day after Christmas, and on that day in the afternoon my husband was getting better. So then I started checking my emails and I noticed I got the notification that the lucky bags are available. So I clicked on it. Sure enough, the extra large one was already sold out. I mean, this was hours after it was released. So the regular one for $75 was available, and it was also still available for the deep to dark. I believe that's the name of the shade, but it's for my skin tone. So I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and get it. And I can see my husband, he was getting better, so I just pushed a couple buttons and I was able to get it. So I was kind of excited about it. Again, this cost $75 and it does have $10 shipping, and I believe the tax was $7. So the total of this box was $97, and it should have products in here that are worth $150 or more. Now I do have to say that this is quite light, and on the label it does say that it's a pound 25, so 1.25 pounds. So we'll see what's in here. I hope it's a good one. I have been watching several of these unboxings and it seems like each box is different. Maybe one or two things that are similar, but it seems like there's a lot of different things in these boxes, because last year I remember it was like box A had the same items, box B had the same items, so it seems like this year it seems to be kind of randomized. But all right, let's go ahead and open it. I'm excited. Okay, it's got the pretty red and black there. And let's read what this tag says. I always like to read what the tag says because it explains the lucky bag. Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspire us to create our own. The Japanese character on this year's lucky bag, which means dawn or daybreak, symbolizes new beginnings after a challenging year. Yeah, it was a challenging year. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. So there is the tag right there, and I believe this is the symbol that they were talking about, meaning dawn. Let's see what we got. Okay, seems to be in a plastic wrap here. All right, and the first item that I'm going to pull out, it is something from Good Molecules. I believe it's a brand by Beautylish. I believe it's a really good price point, and I did get the primer last year, which I really do love. I wore it today. But this is the Discoloration Correcting Serum, formulated with cetyl tranexamate mesylate to target discoloration and promise an even skin tone. And I do have discoloration on my face. Okay, now it does have the Therapeutic TX Vector, which is the cetyl tranexamate mesylate. I'll just write it down here for you guys. It's the first of its kind anti-aging depigmentation active to help achieve naturally even skin tone by delivering tranexamic, I'm gonna write it here for you guys, I'm not gonna even try, it's acid into deeper layers of the skin. Okay, comes in a dropper form it seems like. Okay, I'm excited about that one. Next we have some sort of a palette, I think. Okay, it's by Wayne Goss and it's the Luxury Eye Palette. I didn't get any of the eye palettes from Wayne Goss. I do have a couple of his lipsticks. Let's see which one is this one. The Pearl Moonstone palette. Is it the new one? Yes, it's the new one, the one with the blue shade in here. This one's a little bit on the cool tone, but it's pretty nonetheless. I want to try some cool tones here. I like that peachy shade right here. And I'll try to put the price of every item here, and then I'll try to total up at the end to see how much this bag was worth. All right, let's pull something out here. This is something from Danessa Myricks. I believe that's the brand name. This is the Dew Wet Highlighting Facial Balm. I believe it's in the shade Hot Water. Okay, I did get something like this last year, and it wasn't my favorite, but let's see what this one is. Let me try to open it here. All right. I mean, I have to admit this one's not my favorite, but I'll probably pass this one along. I don't use highlighters that much, especially cream ones, so yeah, I think I'll be passing this one along. We have a brush from Sonia G, and I love Sonia G brushes. Oh, and I already love this brush right here. This one is the Blender Pro, and I love this one for my crease. I'm so excited about having another Sonia G brush. And we have a big box here. This is a face roller. It's by Kishk, I guess that's how you say it. I already have one of these, and yeah, I think I'll be passing this one along too. I mean, I love the one that I had, but I just don't need another one. And the last item here seems to be lipstick, I think. Yes, it's by Uma Beauty, which I happen to just bought one of her eyeshadow palettes. I believe it's the Poise one, and I haven't used that yet, and I can't wait to use this now. I have one of her lipsticks, and it's the Metallic Shine lipstick in the shade Baja, I believe, the Black Magic Carnival. Let's see what this shade looks like. It comes in a pretty red bullet. Ooh, look at that. Look at that sparkle. Ooh, I like that. All right, I'm gonna total all this up, and I'll write it down here to see how much this one cost, but I have to say, this is not my favorite Lucky Bag, I have to admit it. I mean, I like the lipstick and I love my Sonia G brush, and I'm excited about the Wayne Goss palette, but the Jade Roller and this highlighter that I got last year that I gave away too, it's not my favorite. Oh, and I do like the pigmentation serum, this one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in this Lucky Bag. Okay, I guess this one's not the Lucky Bag for me. I'm sorry, I have to say it. I have to say it. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it, but this one is not one of my favorite bags. I have been seeing other unboxings and they have really nice products, but this one, not so much. I'm sorry to say. This is not my favorite one, but I didn't think I was gonna get it this time because my husband was in the hospital, but I'm still happy that I got it because my husband is better. So no harm, no foul, I guess. Well, alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.